You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. I said correctly in English. There are, I'm afraid, two different pronunciations, and yes, you found the best pronunciation channel. Maybe I shouldn't be. Let's just say those two pronunciations. Systemic does exist, or the probably more US American English pronunciation is as systemic. So yes, two pronunciations indeed. Systemic or systemic. And now you know two pronunciations are correct in English, how to pronounce systemic or systemic. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.